Okay.
Respect.
It's going. Okay.
So sorry, just tell me your name and.
Yeah, so my name's Major Kevin McDowell, squad leader with the Royal Scots Dragoon Guards, stationed in Lookers, but I'm also the pipe president of the band of the Royal Scots Dragoon Guards.
So tell me a wee bit about the concert we can expect here tonight in Dundee.
So the concert was born from a visit I had. So the band's just come back from a 2-month tour of Australia, where they played 47 concerts in 40 different venues. I was lucky enough to be able to visit them for 4 of those shows. And whilst out there, I just thought it would be a great opportunity to try and put this on for all the friends and family of the regiment, the wider station at Lookers Station, and the friends and family and the association of the Royal Scots Dragoon Guards as well. So we were just lucky enough that the stars aligned, and we ended up having tonight available in the Caird Hall because of a cancellation, and that's where we are today.
And I know there have been representation at the Royal Military Tattoo in recent times, but this is the first time there's been a concert on this scale in the UK.
Well, no, I think so. The boys go away and do tours quite often, and they have done Australia quite a number of times in the past. But in my 32 years in the regiment, I don't remember a concert getting put on of the scale that they do when they're on tour. Because when they're away on tour, there's promoters behind everything that they do. So the idea of tonight was to try and reproduce what we've done in Australia. And we've had to call in some local musicians and a singer because we had Kiwis out there, but we've had a good afternoon, and they've settled in really well with the band, and it should be a fantastic show.
Just tell me a wee bit about the material they'll be performing tonight.
So it's a good repertoire. They'll play about 40 minutes at the start. I'd say the first half of the show is probably the most serious with all the traditional stuff. The second half of the show is more like a ceilidh. It's a more fun part of the show. We have Highland dancers, sword dancing, and we have guys doing the Highland fling in the second half as well. So it's a fun show. It's an action-packed show, and then there's the odd intermission where we have the singer come on and just do solo or a duet with one of the guys in the band with the small pipes.
That's great. Thank you very much.